not using the year-day principle, they do not understand that the 70-week prophecy started in 457 BC, and exact on time, the Messiah was baptized, which is anointed in 27 AD. He was, in fact, crucified in 31 AD. And to end the 70-week prophecy, when the gospel then went to the whole world, was signified by the stoning of Stephen, the first Christian martyr, in 34 AD. And you have to understand that the 70 weeks was cut off from the 2300-year prophecy. And applying day for a year, you would go 457 to the Judgment Hour message, which ended in 1844, which is a very unpopular message because it was misconstrued. They had the right day, but the wrong event. You see, the sanctuary shall be cleansed, but the Millerites thought that the sanctuary was earthly and did not realize in Hebrews that it was concerning the heavenly sanctuary where we have a high priest. So if it is in the days of Noah, Noah's days was a judgment hour message. We too have a judgment hour message, and that's why we are in the days of Noah now, since 1844. And judgment starts at the house of God. Do you think that the enemy of souls wants us to understand and rightly divide the word of truth and see that we are now being judged, that we may be prepared for his coming? You see, when Jesus returns, he's not going to give judgment, he's going to execute judgment. He that is holy, let him be holy still. He that is righteous, let him be righteous still. That will indicate that there is a pre-judgment. And then let's talk about the 1260 years, which is also the same as 42 months, which is also the same as times and the dividing of time. And you need to understand year for a day needs to be applied to this prophetic time message. And besides it being an exact fulfillment of the sea beast, the Antichrist, you know, that was during the Dark Ages. And did you know that the two witnesses were clothed in sackcloth during that same time period?